I also once upon a time supported Raila Odinga. And I got myself into a lot of trouble. Almost similar trouble like yours, only that you were prosecuted in a Nigerian court. I was prosecuted in a foreign court. And that you were jailed and I escaped. That's the only difference. But the same way you subsequently became president, I also subsequently became president. So there is something there. So let me take this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, before we move the program to the next level, let me request our second lady, Pastor Dorcas, to come forward and pray over the candidature of the Honorable Raila Odinga. Pastor Dorcas, no, thank you. Just kidding.
Our dear President, Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, and all protocols observed, I am a believer of Pan-African spirit. And therefore, as I stand here, I believe that all of us who are in Kenya, East Africa, and the entire Africa will pray with the passion, the zeal, commitment, and understanding for our candidate. Maybe